It's Truth Detective in the house, in the place, and in this video I want to talk to you about how we were all children some years ago, maybe 2 years ago, or maybe we were children like 10 years ago. And those were the days, or so they say. And time has a way to make it seem like the past it was whole lot better. Was it really that much better in the past?
Welcome to my old-fashioned poetical fashion armory. Nostalgia is dangerous. It's a strategy of the mind to keep you trapped in the previous times, but to head on forward into a better age, it's either you go backwards or forwards on the page. Really, you have no choice at all. Living in the mind while holding on to the past times, it's an habit of mind. But as with any other habit, you can replace it with another. Like a shutter in the camera, living in the past lets in less light, keeps you in the cave, while others go forwards in their life. You might hold on to a pipe or other paraphernalia. Really, it's another way to say that your life represents a color, like vermillion, some magenta in the mix, and make it muddy red. After a long time, it's time to get some rest. I worked all day again, filming, editing video, writing and freestyling. I hope my channel will be growing better, marketing as such I need. Post it all over the social media, help them see. These thumbnails I designed too. The clothes, I'm obsessed about looking good. In food department I go for the vegan, and in the past I watched the Deck Syndicate slogan. Better in the past to live a day and have another one say, that way you do it, it's just not okay. I'll tell you, you can do that. Nobody can teach a left-hander. I'll figure it out. Be patient. I can be asked to design a new banner, and lately I've been losing most of my manners. I'm just done, and I'm holding up, turning within myself, and feeling like I have already come from nowhere, like a man of no past. And good times, don't say they don't last. They are replaced with even better ones. That's what I learned from the Christians. You will get something better in place of that. Something much better awaits you this year. Say now goodbye to that nightmare and the existence of hopeless drudgery. Welcome to my old-fashioned poetical fashion armory.